female reproductive system. Okay, if we look here, okay, this first thing that we see, okay, it's a bean-shaped organ that we see here, and that is going to be the ovary. This is where eggs are made. Okay, and then we see that there's a tube that travels down, okay, a tube that travels down to the uterus, and that tube is called the fallopian tube, sometimes called the oviduct. And so that job is just to take the egg that's matured and take it to the uterus. Okay, and honestly, this is where fertilization usually happens, is in the fallopian tube. So where egg and sperm are going to meet is usually going to be in the fallopian tube. Right here we have the uterus. Okay, the uterus has mainly two functions that we would see. Okay, a fertilized egg is going to implant and grow and develop into a baby in the uterus if you were pregnant. Okay, if you are not pregnant, okay, that egg is going to be released and it is going to trigger the start of the menstrual cycle, and this will cause the lining of the uterus to slough off, and that's what causes the period. All right, and then if we look here, okay, this is going to be the urinary bladder. Right, and then if we open up so we can see a little bit better, okay, this is the inside of the urinary bladder that just holds urine until we're ready to get it out of the body. Okay, if we look here, okay, this right here is going to be the urethra. Okay, the urethra is where the tube that is going to allow urine to exit the body. Right, over here what we see, okay, this was the uterus. This is showing the inside of that. Okay, the opening to the uterus is called the cervix. Okay, and then if we look here, this is the vagina.